Every timeless home begins with a story. Vintage design isn't about following trends. It's about creating spaces filled with warmth, elegance, and character. Let's explore how simple details can transform your house into a cozy retreat that feels beautiful for generations. Soft whites, warm creams, muted beige, and gentle sage green create the perfect vintage foundation. These calming shades brighten every room while allowing antique furniture and decorative accents to stand out naturally. A timeless palette never loses its charm. Vintage-inspired furniture tells a story through every curve and carved detail. Whether it's an heirloom dresser, a weathered coffee table, or a tufted armchair, selecting pieces with classic craftsmanship adds personality and lasting beauty to your home. Cozy vintage interiors come alive through texture. Mix linen curtains, cotton cushions, knitted throws, woven baskets, and distressed wood for a rich, inviting atmosphere. Layering natural materials creates comfort without making the room feel crowded. Small decorative treasures make the biggest difference. Display vintage clocks, ceramic vases, brass candle holders, old books, or framed botanical prints. These timeless accessories add authenticity and create a collected over time appearance. Sunlight enhances every vintage detail. Keep windows open with sheer curtains that soften the light while maintaining brightness. Natural illumination highlights textures, wood finishes, and neutral colors, making every space feel warm and welcoming. Fresh flowers, dried lavender, eucalyptus branches, and leafy houseplants complement vintage decor beautifully. Natural greenery softens furniture lines and introduces fresh life into classic interiors, creating a balanced and peaceful environment. A timeless home doesn't have to look like a museum. Blend vintage furniture with modern comforts to achieve harmony. Pair antique cabinets with contemporary lighting or classic dining tables with updated chairs for an effortless, lived-in style. The living room should invite relaxation. Arrange comfortable seating around a vintage coffee table, add layered rugs, soft blankets, and warm lighting. A cozy layout encourages conversation while showcasing timeless elegance in everyday living. Lighting sets the mood more than any decoration. Use table lamps with fabric shades, vintage chandeliers, wall sconces, or candlelight-inspired fixtures. Warm lighting enhances every corner, and creates a comforting ambience throughout the home. Personal collections bring authenticity to vintage interiors. Showcase family photographs, antique dishes, handcrafted pottery, or treasured souvenirs. Carefully curated displays make your home feel unique while reflecting memories and personal style. Timeless homes feel peaceful because they avoid clutter. Use decorative baskets, wooden cabinets, and vintage storage boxes to organize belongings beautifully. A clean, organized room allows every carefully chosen piece to shine. Handmade touches create warmth that factory-made decor cannot match. Embroidered linens, crocheted blankets, handcrafted ceramics, or DIY vintage-inspired decorations add personality and make every room feel more welcoming and genuine. A timeless vintage home is built with thoughtful choices, meaningful decor, and lasting comfort. By blending classic furniture, cozy textures, natural elements, and personal treasures, you can create a beautiful sanctuary that remains elegant through every changing trend.